Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today uh, we will fine tune a stable diffusion on our custom data. So our data will be like images and their captions. So I have a data set I created. So here you can see there are some images and we have a metadata for it like this one. I will open it. So here you can see we have images and their respective caption. Okay, like this one, this one. Okay, so these are the path of the images and their respective caption. So these are our images. So it can be your own images. So we will fine tune a stable diffusion model on this dataset. So it should be in a folder like this one, EMG. So first of all, you have to upload your dataset to the Hugging Face. So you have ensure you have your Hugging Face account. So here you have to create a dataset and load a dataset here. So it's simple. You have to click here on your account and then you have to create a new dataset and then name your dataset. After that, you have to upload your all of your images and the metadata file inside the dataset. Like I created this dataset. So here you can see we have images and their respective caption here, or I can show you in the files. So here's the image file. Inside this we have all the images and the metadata file as well. So you have to name it metadata. Okay, after that, if we have if we successfully upload the dataset to the Hugging Face, so now we have to I will go to the AnyDisk, so it will be easy. Okay, so here first of all you have to create a folder. Like I created this stable diffusion or HD fine tuning, sorry. I am following this stable diffusion fine tuning text to image. So I am following this Hugging Face blog. So first of all you have to I will just click on it, this one, and it will be open here. Okay, so here you can see. So first of all you have to clone this repository. So after cloning it like this, and you have to just write git clone and then press this and you have to just run it, so it will be cloned. But I already clone it. So next step, you have to enter this directory like cd uh, this one, and then you have to create a virtual environment. I will name it sdnv, and a Python version I will be using 3.11. So after enter it, so it will create the content environment will be created, and then so I already create it. So now I will just uh, activate it. So here you can see the virtual environment is activated. After that, you have to install some dependencies like this one. You have to copy this and you have to install this dependency. After that, you have to install the requirement.txt, which here it is. So you have to install this, but before installing this we have to uh, navigate to the specific directory. Like we can see we have a lot of folders here. We have dream booth as well, and but we will be using the text to image, this one. So navigate to text to image. After that, we can see here's the requirement.txt file. We are using just a simple we will be fine tuning a simple model, so we are not fine tuning it with the LoRa or Flex. So where we will be fine tuning with just a simple one. Okay, so for that you have to install this requirement.txt file. For that, after running it, so all the requirements will be installed, but I already installed it. So after installing all the requirements, so uh, now we will use this command accelerate, and then for that just copy this one. I will be also using the default parameters inside accelerate. So for that, and inside this config file, so I will be using. So after using this, entering this, it will be initiated. So after that, you have to log into the Hugging Face account. I already logged in, but for that, you have to just copy this command and then paste it here. You will be it will ask for the Hugging Face token. For that, you have to go to your settings. Inside access tokens, you have to create your access token if you don't have, and then after creating, you have to just paste it there, and then after doing this, uh, now we are ready to for fine tuning. So but before, you have to export the model name and the dataset name. For this tutorial, we will be using the version 1.4. That's the default one. So just copy this command, and then same with the dataset. I already did it, so that's why I'm not doing it again. So for dataset, you have just copy this, and we will be using our own dataset. So paste it here, and then come again to the to your loaded dataset to the Hugging Face, and then just go here and then copy the name of the dataset, and then go again here and paste it here, and when entering, so it will be exported. After that, now we will be using this command. Okay, this one, and then paste it here, and then paste it here. So here you can see I just copy that command and paste it here. uh, I remove the backslashes here, uh, and you can see I due to the computation uh, resources I have, uh, I change it, this thing, uh, from 4 to 8. I also add push to hub, so the model will be uploaded to Hugging Face directly, and then I also mentioned the captioning column is equal to additional feature. It is the column uh, inside uh, this uh, file. If you remember, here this is a column name for the caption, so uh, I gave this as well. Okay, so after running it, your training will be initiated. So I already run it. So here you can see it's running here. I will show you uh, this command. If you can see, here you can see I run the same command here, and then the training is continue. So its total is 15,000 steps. So now it's 4% completed, and it's depend upon your computational power. So here I have two RTX 6000, so it's utilizing almost full, but uh, still it's training. So now it's only 4% steps are completed out of 15,000. So we will be waiting for the end to complete. Okay, so here you can see it was we were training it for 15,000 epochs, but it was too much. That's why I interrupted in between, and I started again with just 1,000 steps. So it's complete. It's 1,000 steps. You can see here. Let me show you. Okay, so it's complete. It's 1,000 steps. So after that, it I didn't provide it validation prompt, so it give me an it's completed, but it give me an error in validation prompt here that I didn't give it. So after that, okay, I will show you. Uh, I'll come it back here. So I will show you. This is a folder in which these checkpoints are saved, and we have a model index JSON file as well, log files and unit tokenizer and text encoder, all of these folders after training. So after that, I also create two other files here. I will show you. One is this one. This is in this one I write a script for to upload this uh, model to the to my Hugging Face. So through this I upload this model to my Hugging Face. You can see here. So it's all uploaded. It's 100%. After that, after uploading this, so I will show you. Here you can see. Okay, here you here you can see after uploading, it's 22 minutes ago. So here you can see it's totally uploaded here. Okay, so you can use this model like diffuser model. So just copy this and then you'll be able to use this model. But this was just for a demo. You can see this a demo because our data set was just 100 samples, so it's not that much big. So now I also create one other file, this one. This is a inference.py file. So here I'm using the local model, which is in the output, this output folder, local demo folder, and I'm just inferencing with a prompt. Like I just gave it this prompt for now, and then also the inference step. I put it 500. You can put it to 50 or just 100. It will be work. It will work. So it's for random name generation for the output image, and then it is stored in a inference output folder. So here you can see we have, after running it, I just run it here. I will show you. I run a lot of uh, inferences here. You can see this one, and it's a latest one is this one. You can see the 500 one. So it's stored in this at this path. So here you can see after opening it, you can see we have a lot of some of them is not good. Like you can see the eyes is not good, the face is not good. So here is a little bit okay, but not perfect. And some this one, it's like somehow a cartoonish or some blurry. And then this one is no not good at all. And this one is also, there is some no details in the face because we have just a few samples of fine tuning data. So, and also the captions were not too good. If we can see here, these are the captions for the image. So these are not
That's all
that
for
much
this
good.
video. So
Actually,
if
the purpose of this video is just to show you how to fine tune a stable diffusion with images and their particular captions.
And in this demo we use, if you can see here, uh, in this demo we used, uh, we just trained it uh, with 1000 steps. And if I can show you, here is, and let me show you the model. So we use a very base stable diffusion version like 1.4. So now a current one is stable diffusion 3. I will also make a video on it as well, but this video is just for uh, to show you a fine tuning. It's not a this fine tuning is not a dream booth. It is text to image for. So in this particular tutorial we have image and their particular caption. Okay, so that's all for this video. So thank you so much and see you in next video.